Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the transom drain on a boat. First, you unscrew these 3 screws. Next, you take off the transom drain. Take some marine adhesive, apply a nice generous amount around this area. You put on your new transom drain. Then take your 3 screws, pre-start the first one, holds finger tight, then put in your second 2 screws. Be careful not to lose the screws. Now make sure all these are as tight as possible. Wipe the excess sealant off. Make sure not to get any on the threads. If you do, just wipe it off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell to never miss another helpful video.